Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to enable creator subscriptions on X, formerly Twitter. To do this you have just to go to X, open it, and after that go and click on your picture on the top left of the screen, and after that click on Creator Studio and go to the second option, subscriptions. And as you can see here, to activate this option you should be eligible for it, and to be eligible for it you should be verified by subscribing to Premium. You should have at least 2,000 verified followers, and you should have 5 million organic impressions in the last 3 months, and you should be active in the past 30 days, and your identity should be verified, and you should be more than 18 years old. So if you have all those criterias, you can activate your creator subscription. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.